Today we are going to learn some more basic commands in AutoCAD. The first command is mirror command, second one is offset command, third one is trim command, fourth one is extend command, fifth one is stretch command, sixth one is fillet command, seventh distance command, eighth match property, ninth line type, 10th line type scale, 11th is color command. So let us start now. For mirror command, this is one object. I draw one object. If you want to mirror this, just type MI in the command bar, press enter. Then here in the command bar asking mirror select object, just select, enter. Then asking specify the first point of the mirror, click here first point, and then asking specify the second point of the mirror, just click it here. And here is asking erase the source object. If you want to erase this object, you can type yes, just press Y, enter, then this object is erased. One more time, MI, or you can take mirror command from this command panel. Just click it here, select object, enter, first point, second point, and again asking erase the source object. So if you don't want to erase, just press N, enter. Move it here. Okay. The second command is offset command. So just take one line. If you want to offset this line, just press O, enter. And here asking specify the offset distance. Type 10,000, enter. Then asking here select object to offset. Select, and again here is asking specify on the specify the point on side to offset. Just click this side, again click this side. See, going to be offset. Okay. If you want to use the offset command from the panel, just click on the offset, specify the offset distance 5000, enter, select object, just click. See, offset is now. One more option in the offset command is just press offset O, enter. Specify the offset distance, for example 2000, enter. Then asking here select object to offset, select, and here is three options: exit, multiple, and undo. If you want to do, offset the multiple times, just press on M, click here. Going to be offset multiple times. Okay. Third command is trim command. So I draw a line here. If you want to trim this extra line, just press TR, the command bar, and here is asking cutting edge, crossing, mode, project, erase. Just press T or click on this T. If you want to offset this much only, so just click it here, click each edge, enter, and then offset, trim this extra line. Okay. And from the panel there is offset trim command is given. If you want to use from the here, just go back, simply click on the stream command. If you want to offset this only, just offset this, stream this, trim like this, trim like this, trim. Okay. Extend command. I draw a line to explain you the extend command. Just type EX in the command bar, enter, and here is 3 option: boundary, edge, crossing, mode, project. Just click on the boundary. If you want to extend this line up to this boundary, just click, enter, just select. Okay, just go back. I will show you from the panel this extend command. It's not given, I think, here, so just use shortcut key EX, enter, select the boundary, edge boundary is where you want to extend, so select, enter, EX, enter, B, enter, select the boundary, enter, and extend it. Okay, and the fifth one is a stretch command. For a stretch command, the shortcut is S, enter, then here asking select object, do not select all, just select half, enter, and stretch like this. Wherever you want, you can stretch. Okay, and from the panel, just click on this command, select object, enter, then stretch. Okay, again S, enter, select object like this. You can stretch anywhere. Okay, the sixth command is fillet command. For fillet command, just type shortcut F, enter, select the first object, and here is there are 4 options: undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiple. So just put R, provide the radius of fillet 100 mm, enter, select first object, then second object. See, this corner is going to be filled. Again, second time, enter F. If you want to do, you just enter R, 400, enter. Then here is asking multiple. If you want to use apply fillet command all these 4 corner one time, just press M, enter, select first object, second object, enter, first object, second object, enter, first object, second object, enter, first object, second object. Okay, distance command. So for distance command, just type DI, enter, specify the first point, then specify the second point. Okay, change the layer from here. Just press one more times, DI, enter, first point and second point.